Hi guys, Vlad here. Today we'll be working on the one common fail on the Samsung A series phones that has middle flex that is connecting charging port, screen and the main motherboard. So let's watch it. So today we have Samsung A40. This phone came to me in the plastic box, opened completely. Yeah, the first problem I think it was not charging, and then they checked and told me that there is a black screen as well. Yeah, so I see that connector is broken, and that's very common thing, and somebody had before soldered a big big cable from one side to other side. Yeah, so that's how you see that the 5 volts were missing from the board. Yeah, but now they have no screen, no image as well after they fixed charging issue. And just from understanding what can it be, it's most likely a same connector. Yeah, because it's broken. I see here it's broken, and when it's broken it's probably moved a little bit too much, and we missing more connections here, I would say, because actual screen connects to the charging port, goes through this cable to this connector. Yeah, I just don't see anything else going wrong here. Let's straight away check the connector. Yeah, so that's how this connector looks. If you can see, we have old solder that was here, missing thing like this because I took out the cable. Maybe I pulled this one with it. Yeah, we're missing one connection. This looks to be ground, so that's not important. Yeah, and all rest are same. And I straight away can see here that this moves. You see how it's moving? Yeah, that's mean this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one's all of them. As you see, I touch. Oh, this one is safe. Yeah, so up to this one, up to these connections we are missing, and that's from where we have most likely no image. Let's check other side. This one is ground and these ones are fine. We have to resolder this back as it moves completely and check other side. So we position that into the holder, and now we'll try to reflow the connections with the soldering iron. I don't have the connector. If I would replace it, but unfortunately I don't have it, so we have to work with what we have. I put a small solder ball there. We'll heat up like that, and we'll try to not damage it much. One more time. So now we clean a little bit to check. I will bend a little bit from side like that. Hope you can see that properly. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, and these are soldered again, and even this ground one. Yeah. As well, I will scratch here, and we'll connect this side straight to the flex. Yeah, so as we have connector damage, we will connect it straight to the board.
That's for charging reasons. We have to first get the image there. Yeah, it should be fine. Just in case, I will do this side as well, so it holds stronger. Should be fine. Now we clean. So we connect the middle flex. We take tweezer and power that on. And we do have image. That's it. So we will not wait till its power is on. That was the most thing that we needed. Now disconnect it carefully, and we have to make sure it's charging as well. I don't have handy one of the thicker cables here, so I will take this 0.01 insulated cable, bend it few times to make it thicker. So 4 times is okay, so it will have 0.04 now. Yeah, should be fine. Anyway, it will be only okay. We'll do it one more time. Yeah, so 8 times now, almost 0.01. Definitely will be okay. Insulated cable. Yeah, and we'll tin it. That's okay. And we'll connect it right here. I have to use a little bit of flux. Yeah, we'll connect it right here. Yeah, and now we'll do this type, bend it slightly here. What I like to do, to not do it here because it's so hard to connect. Then you apply flux. Basic things. Solder the thing here. Then I will tin it somewhere here. Should be fine. Anyhow, cable is insulated. You're not supposed to worry about that. That it's too long or touching somewhere, because this will be only like that. Now I disconnect the other side and connect it like this. Probably should have used tweezers, but that's fine. Should be enough. Yeah, so that's now permanently connected. We clean a bit, and that will do. We'll bend it from here like this. Now we connect both sides. Connect battery. Turn the phone around. Let's take type C. Cable. Charging port and 100 milliamps, 800 milliamps, and we have battery logo and it's charging. 800 milliamps, it's good. Yeah, it goes 120 again. Yeah, 99% as you see. That's why we have 800 milliamps, 700 now. So that's it. Repair is done.
Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next one.